Everyone, so this is the summary of the poem Coming by Philip Larkin. So these are the important points. This poem was published in the book The Less Deceived in 1955. In this poem, the speaker disagrees with the general opinion of people who believe that spring season symbolizes new hope and new beginning. The speaker believes that the passing of season just means passing of time and getting closer to death. So this is the text of the poem. On longer evenings, light chill and yellow, past the serene foreheads of houses, a thrush sings, laurel surrounded in the deep beer garden, its fresh peeled voice astonishing the brickwork. So, when the poem opens, we see that the speaker is waiting for the spring season to come, and he believes that spring season brings comfort after the cold days of winter, because people usually celebrate spring season and calls this season to be a season of birth and renewal in which flowers bloom and new plants grow. The speaker says that during spring season sun shines for longer hours and the yellow cold light of the sun spreads over the tops of the peaceful houses. Next, the speaker says that a songbird is singing a song from a shrubby area of an empty ground. That means that this bird is eagerly waiting for the spring season to come and fill the gardens with beautiful flowers and plants. The singing of this bird announces the arrival of spring season. This bird symbolizes new hope and joy that the spring season will bring with itself, although the speaker has doubts about the spring season. Next, speaker says that the sound of this bird is astonishing the brickwork of the nearby houses. It will be spring soon, it will be spring soon, and I, whose childhood is a forgotten poem, feel like a child who comes on a scene of adult reconciling and can understand nothing but the unusual laughter and starts to be happy. So, next speaker says that this bird is very excited and enthusiastic about the spring season. Then speaker says that he had a very dull and boring childhood which he really wants to forget, and he really enjoys the freedom and independence of adulthood. Next speaker says that he cannot understand the people's love and excitement for spring season. He says that he feels like a child who doesn't understand the strange laughter between two persons who try to reconcile with each other after making arguments with each other. He says that he doesn't see any hope and positivity in the spring season like other people, and for him, the change of seasons mean passing of time and reaching closer to death. And here the poem ends.